The first week of this car has been awesome. It's exactly what I wanted, but there's a really big problem with the car. It sounds like shit.
I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom. Get out of my car! Aww.
Everyone knows this.
That's not true.
No, it does. It does not sound good. I was sitting outside the car and he was like, hey, can you rev it? And I said, sure. And I was legitimately ashamed while I was revving the car. I was like, yeah, I bought an exhaust for it already, dude. It's going to sound way better. But I was like revving it and it was like, here, I'll start it.
Wait, what was it doing?
I was genuinely ashamed when I was showing him. I was like, I don't like this at all. So that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna do it. It's not a cold start. Very quiet. That's valves closed. I'm gonna open the valves. I wasn't listening to Drake. Okay, so this is valves open. See what I mean? It's like, you know what I mean? So we're gonna put a new exhaust on the car and fix that immediately. All right, let's show them what exhaust I bought. Come on. So in order to fix our problem, which is, whoa. In order to fix our problem, I ordered an active autowerke. I went with a single mid pipe. I heard the equal length. I watched a bunch of videos. At some point, look, let's be real. I'm gonna want to do other shit to the car, including downpipes, potentially turbos. Who knows what's gonna happen? Life's just, you know, life's like a box of chocolates. We know the car sounds like shit as it is, so I feel like we're only going up from here, which is nice. I'm also, like I said, I'm not the best person at doing that, which is why I brought Michael. Then we got my dad here too. Do you want to be on camera?
I said no.
Pussy.
So what kind of airplanes do you work on?
The ones that fly.
You think you're the shit? You're not even the fault. Ow! Oh, this is widowy a wall-suit if you ask me. It's pretty bad.
You got a gully suit.
Here it comes! Come on, click! Okay, now. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, click again. Yeah! Okay, that's nice. Alright. That's nice too. This all nice. Whoa, shit. Oh, it's the clamps.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Nice. Those are nice clamps. I literally am gonna need that box cut out. This is taped up really well.
Are you filming?
No, we're just pointing the camera at me and I'm talking.
I want to see the parts you have here.
This big Larry, then those two little Larrys go to this big Larry.
So big Larry.
Big Larry,
To little Larry,
and
to
other
other
little
little
Larry. And then those baby Larrys clamp onto the big Larrys.
Which hold the two little Larrys.
Yeah, which hold the two little Larrys. And then you're done. Oh, it's 1.5 inches. Maybe I was wrong. That's a big Larry. Oh, it does say cut with Sawzall.
I'm not going to judge your journey. It is your fantasy, just as long as you... Wow! Okay! Chicks with dicks? Horses? Worse than horses?
Did not know that. It does require that. Was not aware.
So you didn't watch a YouTube video?
No, I did. He just didn't mention anything about a Sawzall.
2 hours later.
Turns out this requires cutting. Didn't know that. I watched some videos, still didn't know that. So we went over to Michael's work. We grabbed a couple tools that we're gonna need so we can get this baby cut up, which I'm very nervous about. But it'll be okay. Maybe. Yeah, so we're gonna fucking zoink this bitch off right there. We measured 1.5 inches, and then we pop those back in there and it'll be easy as that. It's probably take us 20 minutes.
You sure about that?
Damn, sorry guys, can't help that my overalls on. Ryan, you think you'd kill me with this? Do you think you'd kill me?
If you didn't fight back, probably, yeah. But that'd be fight back. If you just sit there and took it, yeah, for sure.
I feel like you could kill someone with a lot of things if they just didn't
For sure,
fight.
yeah. If you just let me do it, for sure.
This is so honest. If you didn't fight back.
You either have to hold it like this or like this.
Well, you let us know how we can help, boss.
Alright.
plate at? Oh, it's under there. I'll tell everyone what the F stands for. Stands for fuck you, bitch. Huh?
One pair of pants later.
Yeah, I don't think that.
1 hour later.
Update.
Update. We gotta get a bigger wheel for cutting. We're gonna try to cut the whole thing. If we can't do that, we're gonna just drop it. But it should be fine. This is 4.5 inch. That one's 3. Normally 3 inches is plenty.
That's what she said.
Some might say too much.
Some would probably say too much.
A little bit too much.
Yeah, probably too much. And everyone knows it's how you use it. In this case, Michael's really good at using it, but it just wasn't enough.
Big enough? I think so.
I hope so.
I hope so.
They're
How
like,
are
do you
you,
think she
bro?
likes you? And he goes, I hope so. He's got a ski mask on. You kind of have the same fit on as him. I think he had a camo hoodie on in that.
Is that the one? I hope so.
I dress like Kodak.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the other one so I feel manly. The fuck is this thing? Oh, it's the Drake bolt. This is a normal guy. This is you, and this is the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Alright, come down. Oh, how much bother. You wanna walk it out?
Yeah.
Walk it out.
Last one. That one was slow as fuck. All right, so we're cooking with gas. We just gotta get.
Wow.
Crackhead when I saw her. We're making math. We just gotta get this lined up really well because there's a lot of space, and like I said, I don't have an exhaust leak. You can see like there, there's a ton.
Yeah.
But we're on. We got it on, and then we just gotta put those on and pray to fucking God the rear matches with that. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be making a phone call to Emporium BMW and saying, hey, I fucked up, dude.
Wait a minute, you never worked on that M4 before?
No way I have. Back in the day, like 2006. It's my new playlist I made. It's called A Trap Love Story. I named it that. I thought it was a little bit cooler than Super Secret Chill Mix. Is it going? Tap pussy.
Got it? Yeah.
What's that mean? It's like me inviting my friends over for the job that'll certainly only take 30 minutes and it takes 8 hours. That wouldn't be us now. Yeah, so we just got this, and then we tighten these ones right here.
And then we make sure we have everything
Make
out
sure
of the way so we don't.
everything's out of the way, everything's tight.
Up on this thing to start it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking parkour up it like a spider monkey.
3 hours later.
All right, so like I said, it only took us about, what do you guys think, like hour 10, probably, hour 10. All right, so we're gonna drop it down, start it up, see how it sounds. If it's not better, like I said earlier, like I feel like we could only go up, but if it's not better than what I thought it was gonna be earlier, I think it's gonna, I mean, it should sound way better. Here we go. That sounds way better, right?
Yeah.
No one's saying anything. Yeah, we'll give it a couple minutes and then we're gonna do actual revs. I'm gonna take it out, so I'm gonna do, let's just. I need booger and Coca-Cola.
Next is Coca-Cola with ice, with burgers, you know. I'm very hungry. Thank you.
Holy.
Oh yeah.
One more.
it's so much better. Again, all right.
Yes.
It's so much better. And my favorite part, I swear, it's so much deeper. But like when you're in it, you'll hear the turbo noise. It's
Holy shit.
that's way better, dude. I love the exhaust. It sounds really good. It's a nice, like, medium between everything. It's not too loud. It doesn't have a ton of drone. It's not like too high pitchy. It's got a nice deeper tone to it compared to what it is stock. And we'll see what we do with it next. But I'm gonna guess it's gonna be downpipes and some other cosmetic mods just to make the car look better overall. So if you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Subscribe to the, you know. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe. Sorry, I'm hungry and I'm ready to shower and hang out with my doggy and my friends and my wife. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay.